Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. Come on kids, let's learn the names of the color. And first we open colors. Wow, brown color, nice color. Wow, light green color. Wow. Wow, black color. Very good kids. Black color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Wow. Blue color. Nice color. Very good kids. Red color. Red color. Wow kids, yellow color, blue color, light green color, nice color, light green color, wow, nice, red color, green color, purple color, nice color, black color, brown color, wow. Sky blue color, very good kids. Sky blue color. Pink color and orange color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use orange color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Good kids. Kids, now you draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now you draw C and use light green color. Wow, C for cat. Very good kids. C for cat. D for dog. D for doll. Nice. E for egg. E for elephant. Wow. Very good kids. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. The alphabets of G. G for God. Very good kids. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Green color. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice cream. Wow. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. Kids, now you draw K. And use red color. Nice color. Wow. K for kite. The alphabets of K. Very good kids. The alphabets of K. L for lion. L for lemon. Wow, very good kids. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. M for monkey. Wow, very good kids. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. The alphabets of O. Very good kids. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Very good, kids. The alphabets of P. Kids, now you draw Q. Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids, now you draw R. Wow. R. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. The alphabets of S. S. S for sun. S for snake. Wow. Nice color. Kids, now you draw T. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Wow. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. 1. Wow, very good, kids. 1. O-N-E, 1. Kids, now you draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-O, 2. Very good, kids. Now you draw 2. 3. T-H-R-W, 3. The numbers of 3. Kids, now you draw 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The numbers of 4. Kids, now you draw 5. Very good, kids. Now you draw 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X, 6. The numbers of 6. Wow. Nice color. Blue color. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The numbers of 7. Very good, kids. The numbers of 7. Good job. 8. The numbers of 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Very good, kids. The numbers of 8. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The numbers of 9. Kids, last you draw 10. The numbers of 10. And use white green color. Very good, kids. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.